So I was actually very lost, and there's a guy who has helped me to trace the road to the hill. So I'm gonna turn the camera. You see him, guys? So that's the guy. So let me turn the camera, and then let's continue with the journey. So let's climb up the hill. There's some parts that is not in this video. I was actually looking for, I've asked like how many people? I've asked like 2 kids and another 2 kids and an old man who has actually shown me the correct way to this area. Now this is a shed. I think this is a shed. There's a beautiful home that is surrounded by a beautiful fence. It's actually white in color. The fences are very well maintained, as you can see from my video. So tuendelee tu mbele. Oh. Oh, ile miti. Sawa. Haya, asante. That's crane. Climbing up the mountain. And see the beautiful cypress trees. I can feel the high altitude. The air is getting thinner and thinner. This is where most athletes from Kenya they train in high altitudes. Places that you can find with high altitudes in Kenya include places like Nandi in Eldoret, Nandi County, namely Eldoret. So I'm trying to trace a road. I'll find a road here. I found a thin road here. Well, let me watch my steps as I go slowly by slowly. It's a beautiful adventure. So I found the road. So here we must be very, very careful. Must be very, very careful.